Liz, okay, and Lois, and you, sir, Chris, to play the part, okay? And I need the two of you and you, sorry, I forgot to Susan, to play the answer, okay? Okay? All right, let's do it. that feel? Okay. So the heart of that part there is the slaps. They're right there. right, left. Is that right, left, right?
Okay.
And the, okay. So, you feel like you got? How many of you feel like you got that part? The whole thing. Okay, that's be brave. Like you can. Yes. Let me see the muscle in showing your arm out. Okay.
I have a problem. I don't have muscle. She does.
Okay.
That's because she swims in a pool every day. 59 baits. I know, I'm just giving them erroneous information. If we're
Okay.
really nice, she'll invite us to the pool someday.
All right. So, I got only one person here that feels like they got it,
Who's that?
and I forget the name again.
Which is it? Chris?
Chris. Chris.
Just think of Santa Claus. Chris
Nobody else is
Kramer.
lifting their arm up? Okay. Okay, you got it. Okay, we got.
Only if I'm watching you.
Okay, that's something. But that's the thing. The reason I'm showing you this part is so that you like kept other anchors other than watching somebody, right? So you can simplify it as much as saying. Right? Or you can separate it you can separate it as much as you want, right? But we're gonna get it a little more complicated, right? Because we're just doing one part. We don't have that phrase. We just have that thing we're still maybe counting, right? So let's have a phrase in it, okay? Which is just gonna be repeating that thing like 2 or 3 times, and then
Sometimes if you close your eyes, sometimes you might feel like you're going to lose it, but try closing your eyes once in a while so you can hear it, and then open your eyes, and you might stop as soon as you open your eyes, but it's just an idea. You like that?